Hello everyone, this is AutoCAD series episode 15 and let's learn about a tool named Draw Order that dictates which objects appear on top of others in a 2D drawing. Type Draw Order, select the object, press Enter, then choose Above, Under, Front, or Back. To delete the lines beneath the rectangle, I select the rectangle and use Send to Back, so the lines come to the front, allowing me to select and delete them individually like this. Now since I deleted the lines, there's no line beneath the rectangle. Coming to this rectangle, which again has lines beneath it. So I simply take the rectangle first, type Draw Order and Send to Back, which pushes the rectangle at the back and bring the lines in the front. Now easily delete, and now the lines beneath it got deleted. Now in this case, there are each single line that makes a rectangle, which can take time if I select every line, so I rather draw a rectangle above it and change the color to its layer color, since it's a pillar, so I take the layer color of pillar. And now I simply Draw Order and again send it back and remove the beneath lines of the pillar object. It's used in complex drawing that involve overlapping hatches, text, etc.
Thanks for watching.